know what is religion. Religion is to do normal things in the scripture in the spirit of rituals. There is religious prayer. There is religious fasting. There is religious giving. Are you following? None of those who knew God was religious. So they did not have religious places of worship. You hear that? They didn't. Show me a man that knows God in the Bible and is tied to a place and say, until I get there, I cannot worship God. No. 2, none of them has religious routines. They didn't have religious routine because God is dynamic. Come to think of it, Abraham himself, whom God spoke to offer Isaac as a sacrifice, and God eventually gave him a ram instead. Do you know that Abraham did not have an anniversary of that every year?